Hi, and welcome to the WeatherWorks FMS Getting Started tutorial series. Today's topic, Admin Panel Report Settings. Are you ready? Let's get started. In a previous video, you learned that Report Settings provides the ability to set the frequency and timing for the delivery of reports, allows for report customization, and gives the admin the ability to rerun reports. To be sure you've navigated to the appropriate page, you should see a blue bar below the text that says Report Settings. Below this button, we have the Report Settings page header. On this header, we have three tabs: Report Timings, Customize Report, and Execute Reports. We'll click back to Report Timings. Note next to the tab there is a reminder that all report sending times are Eastern Standard Time. The page has three columns: Report Type, Daily Report Sent At or Timing, and Customize buttons, which are set for each report. We haven't altered this list, so the timings you see here are the system defaults. You may schedule the delivery of any report to send up to 5 times daily, as indicated as a footnote on the page. Let's add 2 additional delivery times for the winter 24-hour site report. First, we'll click the Customize button relevant to this record. We'll click Add More. This will present a new drop-down. We'll select 12 p.m. EST. We'll add more one more time and select 6 p.m. EST. Now we'll click Save to commit our changes. A confirmation message is displayed confirming our changes were successful. Looking below in the list, we can see we indeed have added the 2 additional delivery times of 12 p.m. EST and 6 p.m. EST to the winter 24-hour site report. Now let's head over to Customize Reports. There are 2 areas on this page: Private Label Logo, which is used to custom brand your reports, and Custom Event Rollup, which is used to customize the data shown in a custom event rollup report. First, we'll expand Private Label Logo by clicking the Show link. To the right is a help icon that, when clicked, presents helpful information to help with choosing and uploading your logo. Selecting Choose File will open a window on your computer allowing you to select your logo. We'll find and choose www.testlogo.png. The system then displays a preview of our image and allows us to make adjustments. We'll grab this corner and expand the crop to show the entire image in our preview. Everything looks good, so now we'll click Upload Preview and our adjusted logo is saved. A message confirms a successful save. Done with the private logo, we'll click the Hide link, then expand the Custom Event Rollup Show link. Each company is allowed to create one custom event rollup report in the system. Users may self-subscribe or company admins can do it for them. We'll run through the settings now. You may optionally choose a custom name for your report, making it more easily identifiable in the reports list. The remainder of the form effectively operates as a set of custom filters and thresholds for probability of precipitation, total snow, and/or total ice, and all or select threat types. When you've chosen all your settings, you can save, reset the form to defaults, or clear it altogether. We'll hide the form, and now move over to the Execute Reports tab. Execute Reports provides an admin with the ability to selectively execute the creation and delivery of reports. Executing reports first involves choosing a report type and then choosing recipients. You may select all, or alternatively choose one or more report types. Then choose all users, or all company users, or all third-party users, or selected users. We'll choose selected users and GeekHands User 3. Now that all our settings are complete, all that is left to do is click Execute Reports Operation. You'll receive a confirmation message telling you the report creation was started successfully. We hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next.